So hi there, what's the plan for the weekend? How you doing? I'm Justine Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So it's a weekend starting tomorrow. So what are the plans? So I can give you one tip and one advice that as you spend your home or your offices or your spaces, you spend more time at home cleaning up or rejuvenating or relaxing and stuff and all that. Try and include flowers in this. So, I give usually tips to people on how to kind of enhance their spaces, beautify them through furniture or through styling, through our creations of furniture or corporate gifting items and accessories and stuff like that. But one favorite tip of mine, which I normally have been advising, I've been sharing for a very long time, and most of my designs also you would see would have a touch of flora and stuff, and run an intense research, and I normally come with solutions and ideas related to bioarchitecture. The reason is because I walk daily and flowers inspire me, floras uplift me, and when I go into a hotel or I go into a florist shop or I walk into my own house or I go to a space which has got flowers, what do I feel? I'm sure many people like me, when you get the fragrance of flowers, you start feeling uplifted and much better, and you want to hang around that space and stuff. Yeah. So now from a design and aesthetic point of view, why are flowers so important? Okay. Excuse me if I'm coughing because my medicines have discontinued. So sometimes when I talk, I get into this thing about coughing and stuff because my nerve gets pressed. This is an unedited one, but the point is this, that flowers are extremely important, and rather than just from this aesthetic point of view, flowers are also emotionally and from a human connection very important for us, because flowers uplift you, they help you de-stress and stuff. And I've got a few thoughts here which I was reading last night also and researching, and it would be really useful for everybody. Flowers, um, if you've had some negative emotions or so-called trauma and stuff, it also helps you overcome those. When it comes to a design and a space perspective, flowers actually enhance your ambience, and because they look so beautiful, they amplify the whole feel good connection and stuff, and as a result of that, you want to hang around in this space much more. So be it an example of a wedding, be it an example of your own house, your dining table, or your living room, or your TV room, or whatever. When you look at flowers, you suddenly will get influenced by them and stuff. So let me share a few lines from here. Flowers are very important to you because they attract positivity, and when you spend time with flowers and in nature, you have a lower risk of some diseases and better mental health and stuff. And actually, flowers, I think to my knowledge, we use flowers also in weddings or at a church or at a event, or we normally gifting flowers and stuff because it's supposed to be a like a happy thing to give, right? Normally, I'm not